Hi everyone! We have here a straight from dealership BYD Shark 6 for premium upgrade. For a pickup, it's very important to put cover on your back. On this unit, we're using the Hammer electronic roller lid. As you can see, so slim, very clean installation. On this specific unit, the Shark, the Hammer put the switch at the outside exposed, but if you lock it, this won't function. But if you unlock the unit, you can open it here already. You can open it here already. And it got LED inside. You can see here the up is the up, and to on this one. This is the high, this is the low, and this is off. Hammer. Let's close. There's another option also. Instead of using here, you have a remote key and an interior switch if you want from inside to control it. And also, you can upload the apps, QR code, and you can operate it through your cell phone when opening the roller lid. Let's close. Silent. Quiet. Okay. For the interior, okay, let's open back. We also installed the Hypotec matting and the tint on this unit. The client choose the top of the line, the BF Film Ceramic Supreme Plus. This is the 99% heat rejection. Right now, this tint is in curing time, so this will get more clear after a week when it's fully dried. And for the horn of this unit, we installed 2 sets of Arena 3 horn. It's look like stock from the outside. You can see the horn. We'll do a sound check. Lastly, for the rims and tires on this unit, we use the Voc Racing TE37. This is the M-Spec 18-inch wheels. You can see a lot of this kind of wheels in the market, so-called copied. or wannabe wheels. This is the real deal. TE37 M-Spec in magnesium blue color, and to contrast with the center cap, we're using the chrome center cap with silver lug nuts wrapped in BF Goodrich KM3 tires to give that aggressive look. See the stance and the flush. As you can see, perfect. This is the proper way, proper offset for a BYD Shark. See from the side. By the way, this is on stock height yet. Black and blue. Perfect. Simplicity is the best. If you like how we upgrade here, feel free to message. And please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Stock is boring. Bye!